We present Pylot, a modular platform for exploring latency accuracy trade-offs in autonomous vehicles. AVs are often structured as a pipeline of components, in which sensors pass on information to perception models, which build an internal representation of the vehicle's surroundings. The vehicle uses this representation to predict the future trajectories and behaviors of nearby agents. Using this information, the vehicle relies on planning algorithms to propose paths. Finally, control algorithms convert these proposed paths into control signals, such as steering angle and acceleration. By running several Pylot-based pipelines in simulation, we found that a vehicle's end-to-end driving performance depends on the accuracy of its components, as well as their runtime. Specifically, we demonstrated that there is a trade-off between latency and accuracy for certain AV components. In this experiment, high-latency object detectors like VTCnet perform best at low speeds. However, the performance of VTCnet degrades quickly as the vehicle's speed increases, whereas faster detectors like ZKnet are more robust. Figure 1 visualizes these pipelines, which rely on reference components, which Pylot provides. For example, Pylot comes with pre-trained SSD, faster RCNN, and efficient object detection models, each of which have different runtime accuracy trade-offs. The green checkmark indicates that Pylot also provides a perfect implementation for object detection, which extracts ground truth bounding boxes from the simulator. Pylot is a modular platform that allows developers to build AV pipelines and explore the effects of their components on the end-to-end driving behavior of the vehicle. With Pylot, components are easily swappable, enabling direct comparisons between different algorithms and models. Here we see how two different pipelines can produce drastically different results. While the left pipeline avoids a collision with a pedestrian, the right pipeline does not. Pylot provides several tools to help understand and debug AV components. Here we show visualizations for two different object detection models. Pylot also includes several other debugging tools. Here we show object detection in the top left, traffic light detection in the top center, semantic segmentation in the top right, a top-down planning world in the bottom center, and a waypoint visualizer in the bottom right. In addition, Pylot can log the runtimes and outputs of components, including perfect components, to create datasets and allow for offline analysis of results. Pylot runs atop AirDosh, a custom-built data flow system which provides several features useful in AVs. With AirDosh, components are implemented using operators, which are responsible for processing data, similar to ROS nodes. Operators exchange timestamp messages using streams, which are similar to ROS topics. By taking advantage of the operator and stream abstractions, Pylot implements modular and swappable AV components. AirDosh has high throughput and low latency, and as a result, Pylot ensures low response times. AirDosh also provides a special type of message called the watermark, which is a well-known data flow concept that signals the completion of data for a particular timestamp. By taking advantage of watermark messages, Pylot synchronizes data from different streams, which is especially useful for sensor fusion. By processing on the arrival of watermark messages, Pylot can also ensure the deterministic replay of driving scenarios. Through these tools and the focus on modularity, Pylot enables rich experiments such as the pictured study, which measures how different planning algorithms affect ride comfort. This video shows Pylot driving a Lincoln MKZ autonomous vehicle, and we intend to run further real-world experiments as soon as COVID restrictions ease. Pylot is open source and actively maintained and improved. We hope that Pylot will facilitate novel AV research and help us achieve a better understanding of how the interactions and performance of components affect end-to-end driving behavior. For more information, please check out our paper.